All right, day 4 of the coop build, Coop Palooza 2020. Hey, if you do me a favor, go down there and smash the like button somewhere. I don't know where it is. Smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out. By the way, this is why I named my channel The Flip-Flop Farmer. This is how I do all my work in flip-flops. Pretty much wear them 12, 15 hours a day. I love these flip-flops. They're called soles. They did not sponsor this video. Anyway, so here's the coop. Got the back on. There's the clean out area down there. There'll be big doors right there so I can get in and do maintenance if I need to. On that side, I got the studs up. A center window will go there. Then I redid these yesterday when I showed you I toenailed these in. I didn't like that, so I laid the boards down and screwed them in from the top. I know if you're a framer, you probably wouldn't do this, but I'm not a framer and it worked for me, so it made it easy. And then I spent most of the day trying to figure out how to make the nest box. So I cut out some MDF and put some boards in, and I had to do that 2 or 3 times because I pretty much screwed it up every time I did it. Now I think I got the shape correct. So there'll be a top over here and then a top right here that comes down. You can lift the lid. But you know, they say you measure twice and cut once, and leave the line, cut the line. I don't know, but here's what happens when you get tired is you end up with a little gap right there. So I did that on the next 2. So I'm pretty much gonna quit because I'm feeling stupid right now. But anyway, got the box in. So that'll have a couple more partitions so they can nest in there in private, and they'll probably all share the same space. And then the chicken door will go right there. And a couple of vents up at the top. Then we'll be ready to put the roof on and get the siding on. Trying to figure out what to do with the siding. I was gonna use real siding, but that stuff's about $30 a sheet. And MDF is only $9 a sheet, so I'll probably do MDF and just paint it and maybe try to decorate it a little bit with nice hinges and maybe some furring strips for trim to make it look kind of like a cottage. Anyway, that's what's going on here in the back 2.5. Beautiful sunny day. I wish I had a bobcat so I could clean that out. So go ahead and press the subscribe button and press the like button. Help me out trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Got a long way to go, 900 and some more to go, but we could really use your help. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.